So we're here today with Tyler from Carli Suspension to talk about their unique and innovative process to solving a Dodge problem that all of us have experienced. Everybody who's got one of these newer Dodge trucks loves them. They're great. Lots of horsepower, super fun to drive. They wear ball joints like they're eating Cheerios. Every single 6 months, you got to replace one of these things. Carli's come up with a solution to that problem that you don't only have to do one time. Go ahead and tell us about that.
Absolutely. So your factory ball joint from 3rd gen, 4th gen, all the way up to the 5th gen is a very stressful design that puts a lot of load on the actual lower ball joint. Your lower is your load bearing joint, while your upper is purely a pivot point on which the steering cycles from lock to lock. So what we're making sure of is we're building a lower that is going to be ready to withstand any sort of larger tires, lift, anything that you're going to be putting on the vehicle that's going to place more stress on it beyond even where the factory design has faults. So what we've done is we've come up with a metal on metal joint. Does not have a wear surface, and it has specific metallurgy to make sure that once you polish your internal wear surface inside of this joint, you are not going to continue to wear it over time. So what we've done is we've designed a ball joint that has a grease zerk and then also has an exit port to make sure that any old grease that was in the joint can slowly make its way out as you continue to replace it. So this metal on metal design allows the joint to polish on the inside, not bind as the steering is cycling, and allows you to have a joint that is not going to wear over time. Like no Teflon, no nylon liner, everything is going to be metal on metal with no wearable surface. When it comes down to it, we cover it with a lifetime warranty, as we are very confident that these things are not going to fail because of the metallurgies and the greasable design that we have. If it comes down to it and you do need to replace these, which we have a less than a 1% failure rate on them, but if it does need to be warrantied, all you have to do is send us a copy of your receipt as well as a video of the play that you've developed in your joint, and we'll go ahead and send a replacement out on the honor system. Once you get it swapped out, you'll go ahead and place that defective joint back in the box, send it back to us, and we're going to do what we can to continuously improve upon the design and make sure that we're not ever taking any steps back.
Well, so there you have it. Carli Suspension really has come up with a solution to all of our fun Dodge problems with their actual fully lifetime warranted replacement ball joints. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.